Hello and welcome. My name is Stefan and I'm with 𝗬𝗀𝗃𝗃. At 𝗬𝗀𝗃𝗃, we manage and protect Microsoft ecosystems, helping organizations to get the most out of their Microsoft environments. As many of you know, Microsoft 365 is the most powerful modern workplace platform available today. But even the best platforms can have gaps. Features that customers expect but aren't natively included. That's where our companions come in. These are purpose-built solutions that enhance and extend the Microsoft 365 stack. In this session, we'll focus on two key areas: client management and app lifecycle automation, as well as Wi-Fi authentication for modern workplace clients. Let's begin with our client management and how our solution RealmJoin can help. When working with Microsoft Intune, IT teams often face a number of recurring challenges. For example, how can we ensure that all client devices always have the latest versions of their applications? Where do we reliably source software packages? How do we guarantee the quality and the security of those packages? Can we automate the update process? What about apps manually installed by users? How do we manage those? And how do we handle deployments across different platforms like Windows ARM and macOS? These are exactly the kinds of questions RealmJoin is built for. With RealmJoin, you don't need to worry about where to get your software packages. Our platform includes a curated app store with over 2,500 applications ready to deploy. If the app you need isn't available yet, no problem. You can simply request it. We'll package it for you, SLA-based, typically within 1 to 2 business days. If the app can be added to the public RealmJoin App Store, the packaging is included in your subscription fee. If it's a custom app, we'll provide it in your private app store for a fixed fee. All RealmJoin packages are built by our own team. We never rely on public repositories. Each package is carefully curated with detailed technical information and configurable parameters. Our packaging factory uses modern CI/CD pipelines, ensuring consistency, reliability, and security. Wherever possible, we source binaries directly from verified vendors and scan every package for malware before release. RealmJoin supports automatic updates as soon as a new version becomes available. You can define rollout stages, for example, send updates to a preview group a few days after release, and then to all users after a defined period. RealmJoin can even detect manually installed apps and bring them under management, so they are included in the automated update process. RealmJoin works seamlessly across Windows x86, Windows ARM, and macOS, giving you full flexibility across your device landscape. We've all seen it. A user starts autopilot, and after a while, the screen seems stuck. No visible progress. After 30 minutes or more, users assume something's wrong and restart the process. In many cases, the deployment is actually working. It's just that the default autopilot screen doesn't show what's happening. RealmJoin solves this with its own custom enrollment status page. It gives users real-time feedback on the deployment process, showing exactly which apps are being installed and how many are still in the queue. Managing a modern workplace isn't just about having the right tools. It's about making sure the right people can use them effectively. That's why empowering your user help desk is so important. With RealmJoin, we are not only simplifying administration for IT, we are also enabling help desk teams to work smarter, faster, and with greater autonomy. Let's take a look at how RealmJoin delivers both visibility and actionability through a unified interface and powerful automation. RealmJoin provides a centralized admin interface that brings together data from Intune, Entra, Defender, hardware vendors, and our own telemetry. This gives admins and help desk staff a single pane of glass to view everything they need, from compliance status and installed software to hardware details and warranty information. From this interface, admins can trigger contextual actions like requesting a local admin password for a device or reviewing the security posture of a user identity. RealmJoin includes over 150 pre-built runbooks covering common scenarios like setting out of office replies or resetting user settings. These runbooks are visual, script-free, and can be executed by help desk staff without needing deep technical knowledge or administrative privileges in your tenant. You can even create your own runbooks using PowerShell and assign them with granular permissions. In addition to runbooks, RealmJoin also features remediation scripts, a powerful automation feature designed to detect and resolve issues directly on Windows client devices. Together with runbooks, remediation scripts make RealmJoin a comprehensive automation platform for both reactive and proactive support. Let's now turn to a topic that's often overlooked in modern workplace projects, but plays a crucial role in delivering a seamless user experience: Wi-Fi and network authentication. In secure environments, certificate-based authentication is the gold standard. It's seamless for users, secure for IT, and scalable across devices and locations. With Microsoft Intune, you can configure SCEP profiles to issue client certificates and Wi-Fi profile to define how those certificates are used. When set up correctly, users don't need to do anything. They are automatically connected to the network. But as you implement this, a few important questions may come up. How do I deploy certificates to clients and maybe even to servers and networking devices? How do I provide Radius services that support certificate-based authentication in a cloud-first environment? And how can I keep deployment and maintenance as simple as possible? SCEPman is our cloud-native PKI, built entirely on Azure. It runs directly in your tenant, requires zero maintenance, and integrates seamlessly with Intune and Entra. SCEPman issues certificates to devices managed by Intune and also to devices managed by Jamf Pro, Linux systems, or other MDMs. Each certificate is linked to its corresponding Entra object, whether it's a user or device. This enables real-time certificate revocation. As soon as an admin disables a user or device in Entra, SCEPman will immediately respond with a revoked status for that certificate. Beyond automated workflows, SCEPman also offers manual certificate management through its web-based admin interface. Admins can issue certificates manually, either by filling out a form or by submitting a certificate signing request. This functionality isn't limited to client certificates. You can also issue certificates for web servers, TLS inspection, code signing, and making SCEPman a versatile solution for a wide range of use cases. In the admin UI, administrators can also look up issued certificates, check their current status, and if needed, manually revoke certificates. While manual revocation is rarely necessary thanks to SCEPman's automatic real-time revocation via Entra object binding, it's reassuring to know that full control is always available when needed. SCEPman is highly scalable, supporting environments with more than 100,000 users and offering geo-redundancy for global deployments. Traditional Radius servers are often on-premises, complex to manage, and hard to scale. That's why we built Radius as a service, a cloud-hosted Radius service designed for the modern workplace. It runs in our environment and we operate it for you. You get a web-based admin interface and a full API for integration and automation. Radius as a service supports all major network vendors and can be connected to all your sites. Through the admin interface, you can monitor incoming access requests, see how they were processed, and understand why a request was accepted or denied, giving you full transparency and control over your network authentication flows. Radius as a service is optimized for certificate-based authentication and works with certificates from SCEPman, Microsoft Cloud PKI, or any other X509 compliant PKI. Radius as a Service also includes a powerful rule engine, allowing you to define exactly who can connect and from where. In addition to certificate-based authentication, Radius as a Service also supports username and password-based access as a backup for devices that don't support digital certificates, such as printers or other legacy hardware. Admins can manually add identities for these devices via the admin interface. And to make things even more flexible, this feature can be extended to end users. Users can log in the Radius as a Service web portal using their Entra credentials and create access credentials for their guests or personal devices. For example, bring your own device scenarios where certificate-based deployment isn't feasible. This ensures secure access even for non-standard devices without compromising on control or visibility. As you have seen today, our companions RealmJoin, SCEPman and Radius as a Service extend Microsoft 365 by adding essential capabilities that are often missing, helping organizations to unlock the full potential of their modern workplace. Our solutions have been in the market for years, trusted by customers in over 50 countries, supporting millions of users worldwide. Their feedback and trust continue to drive our innovation and commitment to excellence. And we are not stopping here. We offer even more companions to enhance your Microsoft 365 environment. For example, Connect, your bridge to SharePoint. It enables reliable mapping of SharePoint libraries into Windows File Explorer, even in complex scenarios like FAT clients, VDI, AVD, Windows 365, or libraries with over 300,000 files. Or Terra Provider, our Terraform provider for Microsoft 365. It brings configuration as code to your tenant using industry-standard Terraform to manage your environment with greater control, change approval workflows, versioning, drift detection, and faster provisioning of new tenants. Or Unified Contacts, our companion to Microsoft Teams. It brings external contacts from systems like your CRM, ERP, or ticketing platform directly into Microsoft Teams. If you'd like to try our solutions, it's easy. You can start a 30-day trial directly from our product websites. And if you have questions or want to dive deeper, we'd love to talk to you. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.